How to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Skrill to your PayPal. Now the process is quite tricky, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to open up a Skrill app and you want to log into your account. Now here I'll just log into my account quickly here. Once you log in, what you want to do is here, first let this load up. You can see that it has loaded up. Once it loads up, what you want to do is you want to head into the transfer option at the bottom of your screen. You can see bottom right corner transfers option. Simply tap on transfers, and at the very first you can see send to yourself, send money from your balance to your card or bank account. You want to select this option, and what you want to do is first you want to transfer your money from Skrill to your bank account. Now here you won't be able to get the option to directly transfer it to PayPal, so you want to transfer it to your bank account. Once you transfer it to your bank account, you can open up your PayPal, and once you open up PayPal there, you want to head into your PayPal balance option, and there you want to load money from your bank account. So this way you can transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.